relax, and enjoy the show.
Nothing can stop us now. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend the day in the countryside.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have the perfect picnic. We'll sing a song and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Now we're heading down the open highway and the natural and byway. Everything is just so peachy keen.
Hi, Goofy.
Hey, howdy. Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See y'all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We've had any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Yeah, I think I can handle that.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Yeah.
Please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your train car at
That's what I want to hope, but I know it's
Be sure to stay in your seat and keep watch for light on your Okay, thanks.
Hola pasajeros, durante nuestro viaje en tren, para su seguridad, mantengan sus manos.
Welcome Railroad. For your safety while riding aboard the train.
the hat, sunglasses, here. That's good, Mindy.
What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! Minnie, let's get that runaway train!
concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so finally baby. We had one crazy round. On my side.
Gosh, what's this lever do? Well, here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long!
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Here's another video you might like.